Hi there, I'm Paul Fitch, Sales Manager for Inkjet in the UK and Ireland for Agfa. We are thrilled to invite you to the UK Print Show in Birmingham. Our booth, D10, will be packed with innovation, showcasing our integrated inkjet solutions. From flatbed to roll and hybrid printers, our portfolio is everything you need to print virtually any application. After a challenging few years with few events, we are excited to reconnect and introduce our latest products, launched recently at FESPA 2024 in Amsterdam. Join us to experience the power of our solutions and meet our incredible team. Whether you're exploring new technologies or looking to network, we are here for you. Don't miss out. Book your demo slot and see our printers and the Asante Workflow solution in action. We can't wait to see you at booth D10 at the UK Print Show. See you there.